Can InDesign trapping fix print registration errors? Have you ever wondered if InDesign trapping can solve print registration errors? It's a common question among graphic designers. Let's break it down and see how it works. InDesign has trapping features that help with minor misregistration during printing. Trapping is when colors overlap slightly to avoid gaps that can happen if the printing plates or paper shift. This technique helps reduce those annoying white gaps or halos when colors do not align perfectly on the press. However, there are some important things to keep in mind. InDesign trapping is mainly for basic needs and often requires manual adjustments. You might need to change overprint settings or create spreads and chokes around your design elements. Many professional print providers prefer to handle trapping using specialized software instead of relying solely on InDesign. This is because InDesign trapping may not be strong enough for more complex registration needs. Additionally, recent versions of InDesign have faced some issues with trapping. Some users have reported problems when printing separations with trapping enabled, especially in versions after InDesign 15. This can lead to challenges in your workflow. So, what should you do if you encounter print registration errors? First, understand that while trapping in InDesign can help with minor issues, it may not fix larger misregistration problems caused by mechanical issues on the press. Use InDesign trapping mainly for simple cases or when your print provider specifically requests it. Always check with your print service provider to see if they prefer you to do trapping in InDesign or if they will handle it with their own software. If you run into errors with InDesign trapping, consider exporting your file without trapping. Let your print provider apply trapping during their prepress process. When you do need to set traps manually in InDesign, use the Attributes panel to control overprinting. Make sure the Stroke panel's Weight Changes Bounding Box option is enabled, as this affects how traps are created. In summary, InDesign trapping can help reduce minor print registration errors by overlapping colors slightly. However, it is not a complete solution for all registration problems. Working closely with your print provider and sometimes using dedicated trapping tools can lead to better results. Mastering these aspects will help you create print-ready files that minimize registration issues.